Hello friends, I welcome all of you in my channel Classic Vijay Blogs. Friends, if you looking such as a blog where we can learn communication skill in English, you can improve communication skill in English through blogging. So my blog Classic Vijay Blog perfect for you. Every day at the evening 6 p.m. I am uploading new and fresh English blog in my channel. If you looking such as a blog that is a completed English language and you want to improve your communication skill through English, you can follow my channel Classic Vijay Blogs. Every day I coming in this park and here I walking alone, talk to universe, observe the beauty of nature and creating a new blog in English language for you. So friends, this channel perfect for you for improve your communication skills. The time is morning and in this morning time you can see the greenery of this park. Everywhere greenery, everywhere looking beautiful, calm, quiet and peaceful. And everywhere in this park I am walking alone without slipper like this. So friends, if you walking alone without slipper in this green grass, it will help you to connect with nature. It will also beneficial for your health. So walking alone in green grass, it is a very mandatory for each and everyone. They want to fulfill mind, they want to touch with universe, they want to touch with beautiful earth. So this is a right time, right place to connect with our beautiful earth, beautiful environment. And friends, here you can see the beauty of nature, the greenery of our earth in this park. Looking so awesome. Everywhere is greenery. So friends, I believe the one quote for my life, early to bed and early to rise. If you follow this line, early to bed and early to rise, this is a golden chance, this is a golden rule, this is a golden opportunity to you to connect with nature. After get up early morning, you going outside from home, connect with nature, walking alone without slipper. So if you walking alone without slipper, so this is a golden opportunity to connect in this magical miracle morning for yourself. This is a plant of flowers. Here you can see one flowers, another one flowers, and there are multiple flowers growing in this plant of flower. So this is a plant of flower and this is a greenery and this is a another one flower on the top of this tree. You can see. So today is a raining season and in the raining season everywhere greenery. Our earth looking beautiful in the rainy season. In this tree there is so many flowers growing. See beautiful of flowers of this tree, and if you moving this side there are bundle of flowers growing. So looking very awesome, looking beautiful. And this is also another one flowers tree, and if you go down, so many flowers get down on the earth. You see, this is a flowers that is getting down from tree. This is a root of the flowers tree. Now let me go up. Oh wow, how wonderful. So friends, if you going outside in the morning, morning given by God as a gift for human and all of the creature. And this is another one tree of the flowers. This is another one flowers tree, and so many flowers growing in this tree. And there is a monkey. Yes, there is a monkey, another one monkey climbing on this tree, sitting on the top of the tree. And the monkey kid jumping from one branch to another one branch. This is a monkey and jumping from one branch to another one branch. They eating flower. Yes, you can see the monkey kid eating flower. So in this park there are so many monkey. This is a big monkey going on this wall. Big and old monkey. Friends, in this side, you can see there are multiple flowers, plant, and some birds also searching food. You can see some birds sitting here and searching food, and there are number of the canals tree. This is a flowers of canals in the queue, looking very awesome. Whenever sunlight coming on this leaf, looking very contrast and brighter. And some birds also searching food on the ground. Some were searching food here. One squirrel also searching food on this tree. See, I like this beauty of nature. Here you can see carefully one squirrel go down, go up of this flowers plant. This is a flowers plant of canal. One small squirrel come down, sometime go up, come down, go up. Carefully, if you watching carefully, you can see there is a small squirrel and monkey. Here you can see monkey going on the wall. So many canals plant. This is a flowers. You can see a squirrel go and climbing on this tree. This is a squirrel. And here there are monkey and monkey's kid going in queue. Multiple monkey. There are multiple monkeys going on this wall. And some sparrow searching food on this ground. There is a temple inside this garden. Friends, here you can see there is a small plant, and in this small plant there are two small flowers growing. Here you can see flower, and another one branch there are also a flowers. So this is a small plant and looking very awesome. The flower growing on this plant. Wow. And from here you can see there are multiple plants of flowers. This is another one plant of flower, udhul. This is a plant of udhul flowers. This is a plant of canals. This is another one plant of udhul, and there are so many canals flowers plant. Whenever sunlight coming on this leaf of the flower tree, looking very awesome, contrast and brighter. So friends, see how wonderful place. And if you go up in the blue sky, some small birds are flying. This is blue sky. Friends, today I am sharing a quote of APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam, this is a famous quote. They saying, don't regret your past. Handle the present with confidence and face your future without fear. This is a quote of APJ Abdul Kalam. I like this quote. I want to share. APJ Abdul Kalam say in a quote, don't regret your past. Handle your present with confidence and face your future without fear. Someone always regretting his past. They are not handling the present. They not handle confidently with present time. But important is, present is important. Don't regret your past. And if you always regretting your past, don't focusing on present, it will very difficult to survive your career. So important part is focus on present time with confidence and face your future without fear. This quote written by APJ Abdul Kalam. And here you can see, this is another one plant of flowers, and there are multiple flowers growing. All flowers are white and looking very awesome, very nice. If you know the name of flowers, please write the flower's name in the comment section of this video. So if you want feel beauty of nature with your heart, emotion, this is a perfect time, perfect place to connect with nature, connect with our beautiful earth, and connect with universe. If you get up early morning, go outside, walking alone without slipper in the green grass, you can manifest yourself, your vision, your goal with universe. You can talk with nature, you can talk with birds, plants, animals, insect. This is a awesome, this is a wonderful time. This is a precious time for you in life. So don't waste in the magical miracle morning. It is a best time to talk from yourself. It is a best time to improve your communication skills. So friends, if you looking such as a blog that is English language, you want to improve your communication skills in English, the Classic Vijay blog, it is a perfect to you to improve your communication skill in English. So hopefully you enjoy my blog. Hopefully you retain your two line, your emotion, thought, what you think about my blogs. If you written two line in the blog comment section, it will motivate to me to create another blog for you. You connected with me from starting to end. I would like thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you from bottom of my heart. Thank you so much.